Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see lesson number 3, that is terms and concepts in plant pathology. We are going to study the first course of our plant pathology, that is Path 121. So first concept, that is the parasite, an organism living upon or in other living organism, that is host, and obtaining the food from the invading host, that is called parasite. Then second one, pathogen, an entity, usually a microorganism that can cause the diseases. It means any microorganism which can cause the damage to the plant or that is host, that is referred as the pathogen. Third concept is biotroph, a plant pathogenic fungus that requires living host cells, that is an obligate parasite. Means biotroph means what? The fungus or the microorganism which require the living host, that is called the biotroph. Hemibiotroph, a plant pathogenic fungus that initially requires living host cells, but after killing the host cell, grows on the dead and dying cells. Means at the initial stage when fungus attack on the plant or living plant, then gradually it kills that plant, and after the killing, after the death of that host or that plant, it continues its life cycle on the same plant. Necrotroph, a pathogenic fungus that kills the host and survive on the dying and dead cells. Means first of all, at the initial stage the fungus attack on the plant and kills that one plant, and after killing it survives on that dead organic matter. Pathogenicity, the relative capacity of the pathogen to cause disease. Means it is an ability of pathogen to cause the disease. Next, pathogenesis. It is a process caused by an infectious agent, that is called pathogen, when it comes in contact with susceptible host. Means in simple word, pathogenesis means it is the chain of events which leads to the disease development. Virulence, the degree of infectivity of a given pathogen. Infection, the initiation and establishment of a parasite within a host plant. Primary infection, the first infection of a plant by the overwintering or oversummering of the pathogen. Means after the completion of it dormant state, okay, when it get a favorable conditions, environmental favorable conditions and host range, then the pathogen get activated and cause the disease, and multiplication will be start after the favorable condition, that is called primary infection. Inoculum, the portion of pathogen which is transferred to plant and cause disease. Invasion, the penetration and spread of pathogen in the host, that is called invasion. Colonization, the growth of a pathogen, particularly a fungus, in the host after infection is called colonization. Inoculum potential, the growth of threshold of fungus available for colonization at substratum, that is host. Symptoms, the external and internal reaction or alterations of a plant as a result of disease. Incubation period, the period of time between penetration of a pathogen to the host and the first appearance of symptom on the plant. Next, disease cycle, the chain of events involved in disease development, that is called disease cycle. Disease syndrome, the set of varying symptoms characterizing a disease are collectively called a symptom. Single cycle disease, that is called monocyclic also. This type of disease is referred to those caused by the pathogen that can complete only one life cycle in one crop season of the host plant. Examples are downy mildew of rapeseed, clubroot of cruciferous sclerotia, blight of brinjal. Multiple cycle disease, that is polycyclic. Some pathogens, especially a fungus, can complete a number of life cycles within one crop season of the host plant. And the disease caused by such pathogen is called multiple cycle disease. For example, wheat rust, rice blast, lead blight of potato, etc. Next, it is the alternate host. Plant not related to the main host of parasitic fungus when it produces its different stage to complete one cycle, that is heterogeneous. Collateral host, the wild host of same families of a pathogen is called as collateral host. Next, predisposition, the effect of one or more environmental factors which makes a plant vulnerable to attack by a pathogen. Next, physiologic race, one or a group of microorganisms similar in morphology but dissimilar in certain cultural, physiological, or pathological characters. Here we can observe the alternate host versus collateral host. Alternate host definition. Alternate host is a host that helps pathogen to complete its life cycle and survive. And definition of collateral host. Collateral host is a host from the same family of the main host that helps the pathogen to survive. Next, regarding the family, in case of alternate host, belongs to a different family compared to the main host, and in case of collateral host, belongs to the same family as the main host. Regarding the function, in case of alternate host, mainly aids in completing the life cycle. Then in case of collateral host, mainly aids in surviving when the main host is not available. Regarding examples, some examples are here. Alternate host, barberry is an alternate host of Puccinia graminis triticea. Then in case of collateral host, member of Solanaceae and Brassicae family are collateral host of fungal pathogens like Alternaria solani and Alternaria brassicola. Next concept, that is biotype. The smallest morphological unit within a species, the member of which are usually genetically identical. Symbiosis, a mutual beneficial association of two or more different kinds of organisms, that is called symbiosis. Mutualism, symbiosis of two organisms that are mutually helpful or that mutually support one another. Antagonism, the counteraction between organisms or group of organisms. Mutation, an abrupt appearance of a new characteristics in an individual as a result of an accidental change in genes present in chromosomes. Next concept, that is disease. Any deviation in the general health or physiology or function of plant or plant parts is recognized as a disease. Crop damage, it is defined as any reduction in the quality or quantity of yield or loss of revenues resulting from crop injury. Deficiency, abnormality or disease caused by the lack or subnormal level of availability of one or more essential nutrient elements. Thank you.